Welcome back. This is our smaller furnace, our 4 kg, which we have. Crucible tongs, and as well, this is our bigger one. This is up to 55 kg. High pressure regulator, hose, ingot molds, gloves, safety goggles, dross removal scoop, burners. Yeah, so this is what we have to offer. And that's the birdies over there. So yeah, contact us if you're interested on backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. That's our email address. Once again, the email address is backyardfoundry44@gmail.com, and we'll put you in contact with us, and we can then purchase, or you can then purchase, one of our melting kits. Let me close the lids so you can see how that looks. The handles and everything. There we go. The big one. The big manure. Close it quickly. Okay. So yeah, that's our kits. Contact us. Backyardfoundry44@gmail.com. That's the email. Hope to hear from you soon.